Hi guys, this is Christina the Happy Heretic, and I am so tickled to have found a way to use all my paper that I either didn't like or was loose or whatever. The Arteza watercolor paper, if you guys like it, I apologize. I absolutely hate it for watercolor. I can do nothing with watercolor. So what I thought, and it's loose. It comes in a pad, a glued pad, and you pull it out and you use it, and I lose everything when that happens. So what I did was I took it, and this piece I actually did in gouache or casein, maybe both, on this paper, and I put it together in a little journal. So it's got my name, it's brand new, so it's gonna be for 2020. And here's where I marked what it was for. And I did, like I said, my artwork on the front. I need to go back in and clean this up. But I just wanted to show you because this is only the second journal that I've put together. And I think it's really cool. Let's see if I can get it to where you can see, because what I'm tickled by, I don't know if I can get a better view, yes, is that I managed to get it to where my pages lay flat. And I am beyond happy about that. And I have forgotten how many pages I put in this one. But one of the reasons I wanted to do journals is that, yeah, I definitely have to clean that up. But I just did this 5 minutes ago, so I haven't finished all the details. But anyway, I just thought you guys might like to see what I was doing, what crazy thing the Happy Heretic is up to today. And this is it. I've got some going with bee paper that I haven't finished yet. I think I showed one a little while ago, but and I intend to do it with Arches Hot Press, because I do a lot with Arches Hot Press with gouache and casein. So again, this is my little homemade journal. I hope you like it, or like it if you like it, and subscribe if you want to see what crazy thing I'm up to on any given day. I definitely intend on doing a demo if anybody's interested. So like and pop a comment down there if you're interested in seeing how I put this together. Thanks so much.